Running a multi-location operation is a balancing act. But the biggest threat to your bottom line isn't always the rent or the market. It's controllable expenses. Control expenses like overtime and waste before they become invisible profit killers across multiple locations. Regain control through accountability. When managers aren't responsible for shift-level details, waste becomes a permanent cost of doing business. Next is standardization. If every location handles prep or closing differently, your expenses will vary wildly. You need a single, right way to execute, regardless of the zip code. Finally, you need real-time data. Waiting for a P&L statement at the end of the month is an autopsy. You need to catch a $500 mistake today before it becomes a $15,000 problem by Tuesday. That is where Ops Analytica comes in. Most platforms require months of configuration and consulting. We do things differently. We offer fully configured, turnkey implementation packages. Our team handles the heavy lifting, so you get a platform built for your specific operations from day one. We help you save time and slash compliance costs by ensuring your standards are met every shift without the lengthy setup. You focus on growth. We'll handle the execution. If you have any questions about managing your expenses or how our platform works, please feel free to ask them in the chat.